Hello guys, it's Eric Nobita back here again with a Korean recipe as you requested. So this time I'm making tteokbokki, which is Korean spicy rice cake. So I think tteokbokki is one of those top soul food for Korean women. So today I'm gonna make tteokbokki. So why don't we get started? Okay, so let me explain you the ingredients. So the ingredients are pretty similar to spicy chicken that we made last time. Hey, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So, first of all, the sauce. For the sauce, you need
Another
paste,
Another
soy
one.
sauce, oyster
Another
sauce, salt and pepper,
Another one.
and sugar. We also need
Another
some
one.
rice cake. I soaked it in water. Fish cake, vegetables. I put onions and green onions and garlics. Just like any other Korean dishes. I'm boiling 3 eggs to put in my tteokbokki. Okay, so let's get started with the sauce. So remember the 1:1 ratio, right? So get a big bowl, similar to the spicy chicken recipe. So I'm gonna use about a 1 tablespoon, a big tablespoon, and some pepper powder, chili powder. It's more like paprika, not pepper. More like chili powder. Like 1.5 scoops, and about, I would say, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Doesn't have to be like super accurate. And oyster sauce. Why? Why am I putting in oyster sauce?
Action!
Because it's MSG. MSG is delicious. Okay. Yep. And lastly, some sugar. It's white sugar. Maybe about 2 tablespoons. You know, you can just sort of just work with your own recipe. Okay, now let's get started with vegetables. So I'm chopping up some garlics, like magic chops here. Okay, chop it up and put that in the sauce. Okay, that's it. And mix it. I usually use tap water because, you know, I think making tteokbokki with Evian water is kind of luxury. I was soaking tteokbokki in water to remove the chemical flavor. See? And it becomes more tender. Yep, I can add more if I want to. Fish cake. This is called fish cake from Busan. Oh! You can just wash it. You know the 3-second rule? I picked it up in 1 second. It's fine. You can just do whatever you want, but I like to make it triangle. This is totally optional, but I have some sausage, bulgogi Vienna sausage. Okay, so the water is boiling. Okay, let's get started with the rice cake. I'm gonna add rice cake now. So it's easy. Starting from now, you just dump everything in, and that's it. It's just how easy is that? Dropping that rice cake. Woo! Okay. Think too much water. Too much water. Next, this fish cake and the sauce. So this sauce is kind of like a magic sauce that you can put into any kind of Korean dishes. So I'll recommend you actually to make like a bulk of it and try to, you know, apply the sauce in many dishes. It's good, but I'm missing something. You know what? MSG. You need MSG. If you don't have MSG, you can use chicken stock. But you know, tteokbokki at like a Korean local restaurant, they use like ton boxes of this. I'm gonna put dash of it. And green onions. Yep. And just keep boiling it. Okay, the sausage is in as well. While I'm making that, I need to work on my eggs. How do you guys crack eggs in your country? Like, how do you guys play with it? Usually, we just, I don't know, hit it in our head like this. Oh, no. Oh! Totally. It's totally messed up. Yeah, anyway. I'm hoping that there's no dandruffs. Dandruffs in this egg. Yes, and drop the eggs. Drop the eggs. Okay. I'm scared. I like it spicy, so I'm gonna put more pepper powder. I guess you can put a little bit of turmeric powder, or yeah, I do love turmeric powder. You saw that in my last video, you know. I was putting crazy amount of scoops of turmeric powder, which I shouldn't do that. Anyway, this is boiling, and this is also optional. You can put ramen noodle inside, extra noodle. Okay, so the ramen noodle is almost cooked, so let's go check it. See this? It's gonna be so good. All the grease come out from the ramen noodle, it's gonna make it even better. It's mozzarella cheese. You put it on the top, and you make it melt. Okay, watch out, watch out. Alright. Drop the cheese, like cover it like a blanket. And you wait for another 2 minutes, and that's it. And it's just ready to go. Hey, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so the tteokbokki is done. I think the recipe was easier than the spicy chicken. You don't need to chop up the chicken or whatever. You just need to put everything in, like dump it in, and that's it. So remember the sauce mixture that I taught you in spicy chicken video. Make sure to go check it out because it's the same recipe as you see. And I'll see you guys next time. But if you like my video, please make sure to check out my other videos and also subscribe to my channel and like this video. Like, crush that like button, like crush it 100 times. And I'm gonna come back with more recipes, including Korean dish, Indian dish, also other international dishes. So give me a recommendation, and I welcome all the feedback. So leave me on the comments, or you can send me a message through Instagram. Alright, thank you guys, and I'll see you all next time. Bye! You see this cheese and ramen noodle? No more talking. Let me take a bite and I'll let you know how it tastes like. Yes, I made it, but it's delicious. You guys must try it out. The rice cake. Go ahead and try it. Let me know, because you really like it.